Hello everyone and welcome to the Vlinkas channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Activex in Windows 11. This is a quick and easy process, so let's jump right into it. First, open the Start menu and type Internet Options. Click on it to open the Internet Options window. Once Internet Options is open, click on the Security tab at the top. Then click Custom Level. A new window will appear. Scroll down until you find Allow Activex Filtering. Make sure this option is set to Enable. Keep scrolling until you find Download Unsigned Activex Controls. By default, this is set to Disable, which is recommended for security reasons. If you're having issues and need Activex to work, change this option to Prompt. I recommend keeping it on Disable unless absolutely necessary. Click OK, then click Yes to confirm, and click OK again. The final step is to restart your computer. Once your PC restarts, Activex should be enabled and working properly. I hope this video was helpful, and as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.